In this video, we'll discuss how we can write a customized buyer request template for the Fiverr buyer requests actually. So let's start. We assume that the buyer request I read on Fiverr was about an Android iOS app with a Firebase, and the app should have some kind of tracking feature having Google Maps, etc. I have read that document. We are just assuming the scenario. Now I will write, hey, yeah, hello, I have read your app requirements. So I am writing actually a template for that purpose. Hello, I have read your app requirements. I can see you need actually system is getting hang. Don't know what's the reason. I can see you need a tracking app for your parcels. This means you have read the document of that person requirements. It will create a positive impression that yeah, this person took my request seriously and he read that actually. Hello, I read your app requirement and I can see you need a tracking app for your parcels. I can I can provide you this app according to your requirements. I will use React Native and Firebase for Android and iOS app. Control Shift. Here's some of my live portfolio links. I have attached them. So make sure you should have a portfolio before creating some requests because portfolio matters a lot. You can host your work at some websites or you can simply attach the links of your previous work you have done so far in the gig request. Now I've wrote this one. Hello, I've read your app requirement. I can see you need a tracking app for your parcels. I can provide you I can provide you this app according to your requirements. One more thing, never ask the budget of your client. This is the most absurd thing anyone can done. Never ask your client budget. Just simply quote like I charge $1,000 for this kind of app and there will be five screens and this is how your app work. Never ask what's the budget, how much is your budget. That's the most absurd thing I ever witnessed. I have also done that things, but yeah, this is how you learn. Never ask your client budget. You can simply quote your you can ask your client how much you are willing to spend on this kind of app because I usually charge XYZ amount for this app, but that price is negotiable. Yeah, this is how you can deal with it. Hello, I've read your app requirement. I can see you need a technical for parts. So I can provide this app according to your requirements. I'll use React Native and Fibers for Android and iOS. Here's some of my live portfolio links, and this is how you can write a buy request. It can be modified according to seller or buyer requirements. It depends. Thank you.